Hi, dear DIY crafters. Welcome to Facts About PandaHall. This September, we have great deals for you on a wide range of jewelry making materials and craft supplies. Do you want to make your creations shine? Now is the best time. Fall into savings. September Harvest Sale. 1. Up to 90% off 560,000 plus items. 2. Up to 100% shipping discounts. And on September 17, 2020 for PDT. Discount upgraded. Dive deeper into Halloween. 15,000 plus items. Up to 70% off. And on September 29, 2020 for PDT. Early Bird Christmas Bargains. 10,000 plus items, up to 60% off. And on September 29, 2020 for PDT. Oktoberfest Blowout. 3,000 plus items, save up to 60%, and on September 29, 2020 for PDT. Visit PandaHall now to grab the September discounts and make your jewelry creation dreams come true. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more surprises and inspiration from PandaHall. See you next time.